It's been a while since Aduro updated the market as to the progress with Shell. Remember, a while ago, there was a press release that Aduro was accepted to the Shell GameChanger program. And this morning, there's an update from Aduro on the Shell GameChanger program. So let me read some of the press release. Aduro provides technologies update on Shell GameChanger program. Aduro, a Canadian technology company, is using the power of chemistry to transform lower value feedstocks like waste plastic, heavy bitumen, and renewable oils into resources for the 21st century. Is pleased to announce that it has passed the midpoint of its project as part of the Shell GameChanger program. I think that's a big deal, don't you think? The Shell GameChanger program is an accelerator designed to partner with businesses to deliver innovative solutions that have the potential to drastically impact the future of energy and the transition to net zero emissions. Aduro was selected by the Shell GameChanging program to apply its novel hydrocomalytic technology to produce sustainable naphtha cracker feedstock derived from waste polyethylene and polypropylene, either separately or on a mixed basis. With the successful completion of the first 3 of 6 phases, Aduro has now passed the halfway mark of the program and is underway with the tasks outlined for phase 4. So 6 phases, they finished 3. Now, if they're moving on and they are already on phase 4, that means the first 3 phases were obviously successful. Otherwise, they wouldn't be continuing. The tasks outlined for the first 3 phases involved evaluating the performance of HCT using pure and mixed plastic feeds, measuring the impact of HCT when contaminants are present, and understanding and optimizing the key additives in the process for effectiveness and economics. So in other words, the first 3 phases involved evaluating the performance, right? Whether it works. And also the most important part, or one of the important parts, was the contaminants. Remember, the competing technologies cannot deal with contaminants. And Aduro is able to deal with contaminants. That's a big, big, big deal. All 3 phases achieved results that aligned with mutually agreed performance targets. In other words, it worked. It worked. Big deal. In July 2023, Aduro initiated its commissioning runs of the pilot-scale continuous flow reactor for hydrocomalytic plastic upcycling. In other words, R2. The commissioning, so our running stuff on R2, that's already phase 4. And it started in July. The commissioning aligns well with the performance targets outlined for phase 4. In other words, R2 is working. During this phase, Aduro will be demonstrating the efficiency of HCT process in a continuous flow setup, focusing on operability, product quality, and yield. Additionally, Aduro will be examining how the process transitions from batch to a continuous system and evaluating the tunability to maximize naphtha cracker feed yield. Aduro is targeting completion of the 6-phase GameChanger program by the end of calendar year 2023. So what is it today? September, October, November, December? We're talking for less than 4 months. Less than 4 months. And they're going to be done with this 6-phase program. I am looking forward to it. We are thrilled with the progress we have made in the Shell GameChanger program. The results from the first 3 phases have been very encouraging, and we are excited to move into the next phase of the project, which they already started in July, commented Ofer Vikas, Chief Executive Officer of Aduro. We are grateful for the support and expertise provided by Shell, which has been instrumental in advancing our goals. The Shell GameChanger program provides non-dilutive funding, technical expertise to help Aduro develop reliable process designs and optimize the HCT technology for commercial implementation. The program also mentors Aduro in developing their commercial strategy and market position. So that's the update. I think it's a big deal. I like it a lot. I would say if we were in a normal market, Aduro stock would already be at $3 when the original Shell GameChanger program was announced. On this, who knows? It would probably be $5 or more. But we are not in a normal market, and even though this is a huge deal, I think we'll be lucky if we see the stock go up 10%, to be honest. But there's nothing we can do about it, right? We can just focus fundamentally on what's going on with the company. And this is obviously a huge, big update, halfway there, and started on the phase 4. So now you tell me, do you think it's progress? Do you think you're happy with this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.